Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to stop new registrations now. First, open the form as the owner. Confirm you're signed into the Managing Google account. Once done, decide how you will stop responses, close the form, set a response limit, or remove public access because each method affects existing respondents differently. Make sure collaborators are notified, otherwise they may re-enable it. Then, click the Responses tab to start implementing the chosen method, and follow each setting deliberately to avoid accidental data loss. You can stop registrations in 3 practical ways. Toggle off accepting responses for an instant cutoff. You'll see a closed message and retain data. Alternatively, use response validation or limit responses by scripting a trigger that closes at a set count or time. This gives a graceful shutdown. Also, change sharing to restrict to specific email domains or addresses if you want selective closure. Make sure to save changes and test with an alternate account to confirm the form behaves as intended before announcing. Finish by customizing the closed form message so visitors know why registration stopped and where to go instead. Then, remove any public links, update embedded pages, and revoke shared links to prevent accidental reopening. Finally, audit collaborators and any app script triggers that might reopen the form. Transfer ownership if needed to prevent conflicts. If things go wrong, first check who has edit rights, disable scripts, and then reapply the Accepting Responses toggle. This sequence solves most unexpected reactivation problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.